Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids class name red color, green color, yellow color, black color, blue color. Kids night coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color O N E 1 2 T W or 2. Kids again use red color and draw 3 T H R W 3 4 F O U are 4 5 F I V E 5. Kids night 6. The numbers of 6. Kids night 6. The numbers of 6 and use green color S I X 6 7 S E V E and 7. Kids again use green color and draw 8 E I G H T 8 9 N I N E 9. Kids again use green color and draw 10 T E and 10. Kids night 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow color 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids night 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color 17. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18. Kids again use black color and draw 19. The numbers of 19. 20. The numbers of 20 and again use black color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.